Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about this awesome product right here, the Formula Ready. Uh, what this thing basically does is it keeps the water at a constant temperature. The default is 105. That's perfect. You can change that if you need to. And what this does, it keeps that water hot all day or all night. Now, I recommend you change the water in the evening and change it in the morning, but it does have a boil feature to sterilize the water. But I also use just bottled water, so I don't need to use the boil feature that frequently. But if you use tap water and you boil a lot of water in it, you may start to see some deposits building up in there. That's just called scale. It's kind of the minerals from all your hard water. Very easy to clean. Just put some vinegar in it, rinse it out. It's all glass. This is all glass. The lid is top of the lid is plastic, but the inside of the lid is stainless steel, so you don't have any kind of plastic really touching the water. It's got a nice flat bottom on it, so it won't get knocked over on the counter, and of course the carafe just sits down in it. It's got a empty water protection on it. It'll turn off if the water boils away. As far as measurements are concerned, the whole thing, top to bottom, is about 9.5 by about 6.5 by 7.5. Well, with the handle sticking out, it's a little bit more, maybe 8.5 inches. But very compact, very easy to. Doesn't take up a whole lot of counter space. Like I said, if you're good, you can make a bottle in 30 seconds because this water's already ready to go. You see, I just now got to 105. Well, it's been keeping it at 105. You put your water in, put your formula in, shake it up, and you're ready to go. That is what I call a lifesaver, especially in the middle of the night. Let's see, anything else I can mention to you? That should be about it. If you want to, I'll let you read the manual. You'll just have to pause the video where you need to read. So let's do one page at a time. It's very easy to use. Everything in the box is just the carafe, the lid, the base, and of course this booklet. Some of the questions I'd seen in the comments, it asked if it was if you can dim the lights. I don't see any way to do that. And another question I saw that says, can you turn the sound off? This don't make any sound. There's no audible beeps or tones or anything that come from it that I've heard anyway. So I think this is just the warranty information. Yeah, it's 120 volts. About, let's see, yeah, 594 watts. BAP or BPA free and FDA approved. I think someone had asked that in some of the questions online too. Anyways, hope this helped. Y'all have a wonderful day.